Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll prepare very yummy and tasty long beans and potato recipe. This you can savor hot with rice or rotis, parathas. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Ingredients required to prepare the long beans and potato recipe. Here I have taken one bunch, approximately half a kilo of long beans, that is barbati, and I have cut them into 1 inch. Washed it nicely. 2 medium-sized potatoes. I have also cut them lengthwise. 1 medium-sized onion, roughly chopped. 2 dried red chilies. 1 small tomato. If you don't have tomato, friends, you can use lemon, or you can also use dry mango powder, that is amchur powder. This adds taste to the recipe. Here this is half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 garlic cloves. I have just cut them into small pieces. You can also chop them finely. In the powder spices, I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So this is jeera powder, dhania powder, Kashmiri lal mirch powder, or haldi powder. Sorry. Salt as per our taste. I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'll be preparing my recipe in mustard oil. You can use coconut oil or refined oil as your wish. I'll be preparing mine with mustard oil. So now let's start cooking. So we'll heat a kadhai and we'll take near about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let the mustard oil get heated. So here friends, as you can see, oil is nicely heated. So I will add the garlic and the cumin seeds. That is the jeera and the garlic, lasun. Let it get crackled. Then I am going to add the chopped onions. The dried red chilies, I'll break them into half. Now I will saute this. Just for a minute. Now at this stage I am going to add the potatoes. Only the potatoes, friends. Because it will take time to get cooked. So over high flame, I will saute the potatoes with the onion. For 4 minutes over high flame. After 4 minutes, friends, you can see the potatoes have turned its color. Now this is the time we will add all the dry spices. Reduce the flame. Tomatoes. Just mix it. And now add the long beans, that is barbati. Mix it with the potato and the spices. Lower the flame, friends. Once it is mixed nicely, we are going to cover this and let it get cooked over low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will open the lid. Potatoes are cooked. So we are going to add salt as per our taste. The garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Mix it. And then now, friends, we will put the flame into medium-low. Cover this and cook for another 2 minutes. Now we'll remove the lid, friends. We'll increase the flame, and as you can see, it's nicely cooked. Now over high flame, I will saute this for a minute. Here is our long beans and potato recipe ready. So I'll put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So friends, our barbati and aloo ki sabzi is ready. Long beans and potato recipe. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.